This curious girl is Scarlet. She's 9 years old. She has plenty of pep in her step. As you can see, she's very curious. She is smelling and sniffing and exploring everything. She's found the treat bag and she seems to really like those. She is a very calm girl, very gentle and mellow. Just easy going, very easy to walk on a leash, easy to pet, just a big sweetheart. Scarlet loves people, loves to be petted and scratched, just a good-natured girl. While she's been here at the Humane Society, she does prefer to go to the bathroom outside, and she likes treats and takes them very nicely. She's just a sweet girl looking for a loving new home. She definitely deserves one. This baby's just going to make someone a wonderful new pet.